updates. My name is Me. So right now, guys, I have shared two videos about this update called Yunus Loop Defi, and I have explained everything you need to know in the video. If you want to see the video, check the description of this video. You will see the link to the video there, to the two videos there. So in the first video, yes, I make a mistake while doing the video. I said their minimum investment is $50, but normally their minimum investment is any amount. That is, if you have any amount in USDT, you can invest it. It be that $1, $2, $0.1, any amount you have, you can invest it. So right now, guys, my 17 days uh contract on this platform will soon over today. As you can see it here, it will soon over. It remain 4 hours, uh 45 minutes. So that is what it remain, and I am going to get this amount, that is $127. I invest $100, $100. I invest this, I'm going to get this. So the purpose of making this video is to just show it to you that it remains these hours to get the money back to my wallet. If I show you my wallet here, you will see that I don't have anything more than $4 and $3 USDT. You can see it here. So the money will come here. The money will come here. I only have $4 here on my wallet, on this my wallet. Why this one 36 US Tron? If the money is returning back to this my wallet, they are going to deduct part of this Tron here as a transaction fee, because it will come automatically. I don't need to do anything. So I will still make another video. I will still make another video to wait when it will come back to my wallet, so that you will see it live. But the reason why I made this video is that I might be busy by that time, so I might not know when it will come. I might forget, so I might be busy. I might be busy. So I just want to make this video for you so that you can see it here. And one thing, they have introduced another package, which is Super Loop. What Super Loop can do is higher than what ordinary loops can do on this uh project. You can see it, Super Loop. So Super Loop is 30 days. While ordinary loops you can go for 1 day, 7 days, 70 days, but Super Loop is 30 days. And the 30 days, for example, and the minimum you can do with this Super Loop is 500 USDT. For example, let me show you something before I go. So for example, let's say I invest 500 here. I go for 17 days. So in 17 days I am going to get 635 USDT, that is in dollar. And I am going to get this token here. This their token 5YNS. This their token is listed on CoinMarketCap. Is on CoinMarketCap, and I think you can get it also on I think on Uniswap or PancakeSwap. You can get it from there also. So you can see it. You are going to get 635 USDT in 7 days. But if I invest that $500 here also, in 30 days I am going to get this 747 dollars, and I am still going to get about 30 YNS. Currently the price of YNS on the coin market cap is point, I think 0.19. So that is the price on coin market cap as I check it last yesterday, as I check it yesterday. So you can see it. You will get more token, you will get more money plus your capital, everything, your capital and your profit will come back. So guys, that is it for now. I'm going to stop this video and I'm still going to make another video when it's about time to get the money back to my wallet. I want to show it to you live, that it will come back to your wallet live automatically without doing anything. So I'm still going to wait. I'm still going to make another video around 11, because it will come around 11, which is 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. So I'm going to make another video around 11 to show it to you guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see it live, if you want to see how the money will come to my wallet lively live. So please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribing button. Thank you for being here. Thank you always. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Check the description of this video if you want to know how to start up with this Yunus Loop DeFi. Check the description of this video and you will see a link to my first and second video. Watch the first video first, then you can then watch the second video. It is important you watch the second video, the first and the second, because there is a correction in the second video. So correction to the first video, there is correction in the second video, but the first video carry most of the information you need to know. So make sure you watch the first and the second video. So guys, under their description you will see a link to join Yunus Loop DeFi. So guys, thank you.